What's popping YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today all of us are meeting. बहुत दिनों के बाद we are going out to a coffee shop. Right, that's around 7 o'clock. All of us are meeting at around 7 o'clock, and now time is somewhere around 4:30, 4:40. I'm going to the gym. I don't want to miss gym today, so I'm going to the gym. Probably by 6:15 and all. Everything will be done, and Sriman will be waiting for me near the gym. मेरा gym उसके घर के बाजू में ही है. So yeah, and I'm going to moto vlog after a really long time, and Truxton के ऊपर बहुत दिन हो गया चला के. I'm going to take the Truxton out, moto vlog on it, light भी है, and GoPro is all set. So meet you guys on road. Bye. I just purchased this, gym bag kind of a thing from Decathlon. 300 or 400 rupees, dude, and for the quality of the bag is pretty good, pretty decent for the gym bag. All the GoPro stuff will be in this, and my gym gear and all are in this. So yeah, all good to go. 3, 2, 1. You see that I recorded everything. I made a small review about the Truxton as well. I compared it, how we are more comfortable with riding the adventure or the sports tourers. But I don't know what happened. GoPro's mic isn't working. There's absolutely no audio. I went blabbering around in that video for like more than 20-25 minutes. जैसे घर आया ना वो देख के ना it like freaked me out. I was like, इतना गुस्सा आया मुझे तो GoPro के ऊपर. And this is the bad thing about GoPro, dude. They capture good. Look at the content there. Look at the content. It's all looking good. It's all nice. But you have absolutely no idea whether it is getting captured properly until unless you stop and look at the video. And you have absolutely no idea whether the audio is coming. This is the second time. Even do you remember the Scrambler review which I did? I told you I did, but I told you the GoPro audio didn't capture anything. And again on the Truxton, the same thing. It's so insane. It's irritating me. Vlog banaya yaar, but stupidity. Can't help. Newbie at vlogging, right? Newbie at vlogging. So these are the things which I have to learn. I have to actually check every time. First I have to check whether the GoPro is working or not. Unless I do that, I don't think so is gonna happen. अभी क्या content बनाओ? I don't want to take the Truxton out again to shoot and tell the same thing. Everything is fresh in my mind. क्या बात कर रहा है? We went to a small coffee shop yesterday. All of the biking friends we met. We went to a small coffee shop. We hanged out. I guess Sriman's vlog will be uploaded tomorrow. At the same time this vlog is uploaded, so you can actually check on his channel as well. क्या किए हैं तुम लोग, कहाँ गए थे? I made a small review of the Truxton because it was super long. I've ridden that, so that is not possible. So I'm pretty sure I'm going to do it. I'm going to let me first figure out what is the problem with my GoPro. Is there some problem with the adapter of the GoPro, the mic adapter of the GoPro, or my GoPro's audio jack is corrupted? I need to check on that. I'll check on that a little later. But for this video, I just wanted to say. So, like I said, I'm actually interested to buy the new Xbox Series X, and my Purana One is gone. Is a gone case. So one of my friend, he has an old Xbox One. I guess this is Xbox One S or something. See this white dabba. Wait, let me go. Yeah, he has this. So he घर पे छोड़ दिया था. His name is Archit. Oh wait. Yeah, Archit left it in the house. So I inputted my profile details in that, and I'm using it as my Xbox. FIFA 19 is installed. What is that? Overwatch is installed. Halo is getting installed. What is the other one? Black Ops. Yeah, Call of Duty Black Ops 4 is getting installed. F1 2019 is getting installed. You can see that. See, Overwatch, I can play Overwatch now. That's Halo 5. FIFA F19 is installed. This is Rocket League. I played at times. And the other one, MXG. I don't play this game. That's his game. And yeah, Forza Horizon 4 is in the queue. So after after like Halo, the Forza is going to get installed. So cheers on that. And this is only a temporary Xbox. I'm going to give it back at least after a month. I'm going to use it for a month. Uske baad, let's see if I'm still addicted to playing Xbox. I'm going to buy the new Series X. Otherwise, I'm not going to buy. Or if the new PS5 reviews are way better than the Xbox, I'm going to jump on that. Okay, let me mute first before the audio of Overwatch corrupts me or say I'm using their content. So if you guys are interested in in these live streaming gameplay things, we will probably do it once we get the proper console, once we get the hang of it. It's been more than 1.5 years, dude. I played console gaming, so it's been really long. Let me get a hang of it. I don't want to embarrass myself on camera, live on YouTube. I want to play good, compete against good people. I was pretty good at Halo. I'm pretty bad at FIFA. I'm pretty good at first person shooting. Rohit is good in racing and sports games, probably FIFA. So I'm more like first person shooter. Hey, kill that enemy types. In the previous Truxton video, we asked a question saying that whether to remove the cowl or not, and Rochi put up a poll on Instagram saying that whether to remove it or not. So it was in favor of removing the cowl. So probably whenever we get time, we're going to do that. We're going to remove the cowl and see how it goes, because it's our accessory. We can do it. See, yeah, let me show you. So just going to remove this, and the headlight unit will be coming back towards the console, and it will freely rotate with the handlebar. Now it's like pointing straight, but if you remove the cowl and there's a different bracket to it, it comes back, and whenever the handlebar is rotated, you can even the headlight rotates. Like I was saying, if you guys are interested in watching live streaming of games, please let us know in the comment section. We will upload it, and we will also upload a few gameplays, between me and Rochi. We can play FIFA, we can play Mortal Kombat, Call of Duty में 1-on-1 भी खेल सकते हैं. Let's see what will happen. Right now this Overwatch is loading. I don't know why it is loading so much. It's taking so much time to load. Let's see here. And I'm so sorry I couldn't show you any content. I'll try my best and crack out the problem the GoPro is giving us. And I want to motovlog. I want to ride on new bikes. The GoPro thing is very annoying. Let me figure that thing first. Uske baad I will definitely go on motovlog and shoot and show you guys. Until then, peace. ये कंप्यूटर वो प्रिंटर ये टीवी वो एक्सबॉक्स. देखो कंप्यूटर है जी. क्या बोलना? What's popping YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. And I'm really bugged that my GoPro died on me.